Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to get paid up to $12 per song and make some fast weekly PayPal money, guys. Okay, so this is going to be a quick one, and let's get started right now. Alright guys, before I get started, you're on my YouTube channel right now, so I just want to mention that if you're on my channel and you're looking at my banner right here, on the right here, you can see if you want to make big money online, you click right there, okay guys? Just want to mention that, okay? A lot of the ways that I teach you guys how to make money online, a lot of these methods are like very easy methods. So with easy methods, it's usually not a lot of money, okay, that you can earn. So that's why I have this link up here, so that if you want to make big money, learn some online skills, and make some awesome cash online, that's the way to go, okay guys? Alright, on to the method that I want to show you today. It is at playlistpush.com. So this is the site I want to show you. This is where you can listen to music and even review music and get paid up to $12 per song, okay? So let's check out how this works. So there's a lot of artists that are up and coming, that have songs of their own, and they want to get their music out to people to listen to. So they go to places like Playlist Push, where they could get their music out and have other people see if they like it, and they'll add it to their playlist, okay? So there's two types of people that will use this website. So there are artists, the people that are creating the songs, and there are people like you and me who are curators of songs, who are going to make money and make playlists for these songs, okay? All right. So this is for artists, this part, so we'll skip that part. So for curators, you're going to discover some of the best up-and-coming indie artists and help them launch their career each time you place a song. Get paid to listen and review songs for playlist consideration. So you're going to get rewarded, monetize your playlists, earn money by listening and reviewing songs. Discover new music by independent artists for your playlist. So if I click on learn more, you could learn more here about how to actually monetize and grow your playlists, okay? Get paid to review songs. We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, we ask you to consider adding it to one of your playlists. To qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with at least 400 followers on either Spotify, Deezer, or Apple Music. Now, don't be too alarmed about this. I'm going to show you some methods where you could get some followers for your playlists, okay? So you're gonna get paid per review. Depending on your reputation and engagement, you can earn up to $12 per song. So people always want to have fast payout, and they do weekly payouts, okay? So request a payout at any time. We pay out every Friday via PayPal. So this is where you can earn some easy PayPal money as well. Support indie artists. Each time you place a song, you help artists gain new fans and grow their following. So for you to sign up, you could click this button here, or you click up here, apply. Sorry, this apply button is for artists, so you do not click this for if you want to make money with the playlist, okay? You have to sign up here, because then you're gonna get to this page, and they want you to make sure you read the requirements before you signing up. So the requirements are right here. So you definitely need a minimum of 400 followers per playlist. And in your playlist, your followers, minimum, you need to have minimum 20 active monthly listeners, and a minimum of 1% of your total playlist followers are listening to your playlist. You can't have any fake followers, of course, and then they do not accept the following types of playlists. So no movie or TV series soundtrack playlists, playlists that change their title to attract followers, playlists for a specific album, song, or artist or band, playlists that focus on a specific decade. Okay, so you can't have You could pretty much do like a top 40 would be a good one to do to get people to subscribe to your list. And of course, if you don't follow any of this, you will have your account restricted and removed, okay? So first of all, I do want to mention something. Is that it says that you can have the playlist on either of these three places. So for your first playlist, so if you don't have any subscribers or anything like that, for your first playlist, it is advisable to just choose just one platform, because for you to go out there to get subscribers to your playlist, it is well worth your work effort to concentrate on one platform. So once you have one platform with 400 followers or at least that many, and it has, you know, at least 20, you have at least 20 people or 1% to be listening to your playlist, then you can start on a different platform. So start with one and then move on to the other, okay? Because then you'll grow your playlist faster that way, your subscriber list that way. So let's see how you can get some followers, okay, for your playlist. Now, the first way that you can do this is actually just creating some very easy, simple videos, okay? You see all of these Spotify playlists on YouTube. You could totally get subscribers this way to your playlist, and you can have your playlist in the video description of your videos, okay? So when you're recording like a video about your playlist, look at these people. They're getting like 4.3 million views on their playlist, okay? So, I mean, this is not a new person, obviously, but it will take some time for you to get some views and whatnot for your YouTube channel. But you could, like, this person only has 400 subscribers on their YouTube channel, and this list has already, or playlist has already ranked on the second search result. The second search result, with me just searching best Spotify playlists for 2019, I'm able to see that, you know, this video here from someone that just uploaded 2 days ago with only 400 subscribers on their channel, is already on one of the top search results up here. So it is pretty easy to get to make videos of your playlist and put it on YouTube, and that's definitely one way to get your subscribers to your playlist, okay? So this next site that you can get subscribers to your playlist is at playlists.net, okay? Here you're gonna click here, submit a playlist, and then you click log in, and if you don't have an account yet, you're gonna click here register. So once you register, then you can submit your playlist, and there's other people on here that that your list can get exposure to. So that way, you, like these lists up here, you can see that there are many others that have uploaded their own lists and trying to get also subscribers to their playlist as well, okay? And then third is reddit.com. If you go to reddit.com, you search Spotify playlists, you get this subreddit here, or this I think it's called subreddit. But this will be the category, I guess, that you can talk about your playlist, and you could see what other people post on here and how they kind of promote their playlist and get subscribers, okay? So this is another way where you can definitely talk to other playlist owners and see how they're getting their subscribers and see what lists are most popular on here, actually. And so you will build your Spotify list or whatever list you want to do, and see what's the most popular list and do those songs. So it'd be very beneficial for you guys to use a playlist that has like 30 to 50 songs of like the top ones that you hear on the radio these days. So think of putting popular songs, or if you think you can get better subscribers if you have a certain niche, let's say you like certain types of music, a genre, then you could build your list on that, okay, guys? So this is definitely a way to get your list to 400 subscribers. Then you can apply to Playlist Push and then start earning from reviewing and listening to songs of new artists, Okay, guys. All right, so it will take a little time to get your subscribers if you don't have any subscribers, but 400 is really not that much. You do have to dedicate some time and make this work for you guys, okay? But this does not require any skill, as you can see. You just basically grab some songs, put it on a playlist, and then promote it and get other people to subscribe to it, okay? But this is definitely not a way that I make money online. I make money online using a business model that allows me to earn passively as I want to work at when I want to work. Okay, guys. But I'm able to earn any time of the day, whether I eat, sleep, or work. So it's if you're interested in making a lot more money, actually, this playlist push, it's only going to give you probably a little bit of side income, but once you start earning the side income, you could start saving that money and invest in programs like the one in my video description. The very first link, if you check that program out, it'll teach you awesome high income online skills where you can really develop your skills to learn how to make bigger money online, guys. Okay, there's definitely 4 types of online businesses that you can learn in the program that I have linked in the video description. Okay, and one of those business models is what I use since 2016, and it's awesome. I love using this business model, and it's great for beginners because it's one of the easiest way to get into making big money online using this business model. Okay, guys. So if you like that, go check it out. That first link in my video description. And I hope you like this video today, guys. Okay, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up on this video. And if you haven't done it already, why haven't you done it already, guys? Subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe so you can learn more ways to make money online, okay, guys? And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes up. Okay, guys? I hope you make big money soon, all right? I'll see you on the next video. Bye.